Hello everyone, my name is Joanna and I'm gonna do my presentation today about the year 1912. So we know that biggest event happened in 1912 was that the Titanic sank. A lot of people lost their family members and friends there. It was like a very big event what happened and was very disappointed. So the Titanic sank on April 15, 1912. The British ocean liner Titanic sank to the North Atlantic Ocean about 40 miles south from Newfoundland, Canada. The massive ship carried 2,200 passengers and 1,500 passengers died on that day. It had stuck in an iceberg for 2.5 hours before. Another big event from our history was that Woodrow Wilson elected president of the US in 1912. And the Balkan War happened, and the Republic of China was found on that year. The movement of art was Cubism and Expressionism in 1912. We can see that these paintings are all painted in 1912. This is here is Cubism. We can see this on the heavily shapes. And these two are Expressionism. By Cubism, we know that Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque presented a lot of art of Cubism. And there are two different kinds of Cubism, synthetic Cubism and analytic Cubism. In 1912, synthetic Cubism began. So Expressionism is more about emotions. We know that Van Gogh used a lot of Expressionism. You can see the dark colors, and it's a lot about stress and emotions. Okay. In 1912, the Speed graphic camera was produced by Graflex in Rochester, New York. Although the first Speed graphic camera were produced in 1912, but newer versions continued till 1973. This is the camera. Okay, foods. We have White Mines chocolate is one of the largest, oldest brands of boxes chocolate in the US. It was produced in 1842, but since 1912, White Mines sampler created. And now it's America's best-selling box of chocolate. Thank you.